Hello everyone, welcome back to our programming series. In today, we're going to solve SkillRack daily test. That is, matrix, Swastik pattern. The code includes necessary header files for input-output operations and dynamic memory allocation. The main function serves as the entry point of the program. The program takes input for the size of the square matrix, n, and the integer value, k, that will serve as the center of the Swastik pattern. A 2D array mat of size n x n is declared to store the elements of the matrix. Variables r and c are declared to store the row and column positions of the integer k in the matrix. Nested loops read and store the elements of the matrix in the mat array. The position of k within the matrix, r and c, is identified when encountered. His section prints the Swastik pattern based on the position of k, r and c, within the matrix. Upper arm prints the elements above k. Middle row prints the elements in the row containing k. Lower arm prints the elements below k. Right arm prints the elements to the right of k. Left arm prints the elements to the left of k. Hope you found this explanation helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more programming challenges and solutions. Thanks for watching.